Okay. So I reevaluated. I'm going back in. I'm seeing how it reacted to the 15-minute fair value gap and these orange lines. I really like how we just kind of wicked up here, took out this high. I do want to see some downside delivery here. I don't like how we close underneath this little fair value gap, and I do not want to see it provide support here. So I would like to see it reach down and reach deep into this down close candle here at 449. My stop loss is going to be above this candle's high right here at 93. So put it at 93. And I'm selling, so I got to buy it back. And then I want my take profit right here at the new low. So let's just be patient. I don't need to do all that yet. 5 o'clock is coming in 10 minutes, so that's what I'm talking about. That's what I want to see happen. It'd be even better if we close underneath this candle's low right here. This should become an order block. Okay, want to see it reach past these lows. It's a new bearish market structure. Bearish market structure shift. That's good. I don't want it to be just a wick though. I want to see it close past that. I got like 2 out of 3 checked off. Want to see new lows being made. New lows of the previous candle being made. There we go. There's a small volume imbalance in there. That's kind of respecting right now. That's all right. Let's see what it wants to do. I definitely want to see it get below here. This is the 430 15-minute candle low, which is a really good thing if we get below it. Okay. Key time of the day that we're trading at, it's 450 to 510. So this is a little time macro. Let's just annotate it, not be lazy. The last 10 minutes of every hour and the first 10 minutes of every single hour are crucial of what the algorithm is telling price to do and where it's going to head next. So we want to see, respect of very certain key PD arrays blended with time to yield us our results. And so at 450 we came up, touched this 15-minute fair value gap once more. We've been respecting it, and now we're kind of leading lower. We have a bearish market structure shift, meaning we have this high, a low, a lower high, and these short-term swing lows, we just made a lower low than that. So now bring me back to what I said about this 30 candle, I want to see a new low than that, which is a really good sign of where we're headed. Okay. We love to see displacement like that. We want to see a fair value gap form here. That'd be very, very lovely. Now I'm keeping risk very minimal here. Actually, I'm not gonna throw that sauce in today. You guys can save it for another time for a better example, because this is London session. Sometimes it could be kind of dry. I'll save that for the better trades where I'm willing to put more risk on. But yeah, want to see new lows being made of the previous candle. So what I mean by that is that this previous candle's low should get taken out like that, and we want to keep seeing that. Okay, we should have a fair value gap in the form of a CIVI here now. Unless I spoke too soon. Nope, it's still there. We also have a low volume imbalance, so we should see price respect this area to some degree. I don't want to see it pump too high, like it's doing so right now. Yeah, I definitely wanted to see that be more of a area that was respected as it's coming back up. Now we're getting bullish market structure right here. If we, yeah, right there. Okay. So that's 2 P arrays out the bat. We still have this small one right here, which we will mark in teal. And that's just about it. That's like our last P array versus this 15-minute fair value gap as well. But yeah, last 45 minutes have been up close candles, but lots of back and forth. So it's really I want to see more blood here to not leave so much of a busy, because there's going to be a fair value gap here. It's just how big does it want it to be. Let's make it visual. Yeah, this is bearish to me, like very bearish. Not bearish, bullish. Let's see if we respect this inversion fair value gap now, or if we want to touch this busy. I want to see this busy shot through if we get into it. Let's just say cut through. So we're at it right now. You want to see it bleed into it. Just cut right through it. It's respecting it. No bueno. All right, so this is the start of 5 o'clock. I have a feeling we're gonna jolt really suddenly here. I'm not tripping over a 6 handle loss. It's literally 6 handles. Okay. I like that. I love that closing price. It's right in the middle. I wouldn't like to see a new high being made. I really want to see this happen right now. Good thing I caught my camera. Now I feel it. It's like, ooh, take away the pain, baby, I'm healing. I don't need anything more. Be the wave, I'll be the shore. See, this is part of the reason I don't trade London session. It's just because it's so choppy, you know? Zero? My camera again? Wow. Okay. Either way. A whole lot of choppiness, not a lot of movement, you know? It's super back and forth, you know? We want these moves right here. And that tends to happen, well, you guessed it, during this time period. So, the fact that we've been taking out the previous day high during like Asia or London, it hasn't been fun for me this week because they tend to happen during the 10 o'clock silver bullet. But this week has been super mundane. And, you know, you have to be okay with that. It's all right. Like, you're just because you're a day trader does not mean you are an everyday trader. Let me say it again. Just because you're a day trader does not mean you are an everyday trader. Think about that for a second. Anyway, I want to see price close beneath this BTC right here. Very good. I love how price is respecting this 15-minute fair value gap during the 450 to 510 time macro. Golden. Get past it. Okay, we have relative equal lows. So now we want to see this next candle make a new low. Had to back to hold my I love when you move me. Everything is groovy. Let's actually put it in brown. So now we have a couple PD arrays that we're truly watching. Okay. We really want to see respect here. Just a shy guy looking for a two-ply hefty bag to hold my love. It's 5:06 still. Okay. We did make a new low the previous, but there's still 8 minutes left. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. So a really good goal right now is this white line. As it's really good objectives on the downside. But I really want to see us close beneath this low right here on the 15-minute basis. So that's in 7.5 minutes. We got time. Just got to be patient. We've got 3 minutes left in the macro, or 2.5, I should say. There we go. I'm down. I couldn't miss it. Take me home. Take me home. Okay, we're really seeing order block theory happen now. Really want a low closing price here. That's great. That's great too. Let's see if this is just a liquidity grab or I didn't think about that right now. Dang, hold on. Pause this music. So that's what I was worried about. If this is just a liquidity grab, all I need to do is just take out the low and boom, there goes sell stops. People that rush each other, stop loss. We're targeting this low over here, but I mean, liquidity is everywhere, guys. It's everywhere. And that is unfortunate, but we do still have 5 minutes left. I'm gonna see where we close out on this candle because this is the end of the macro. So, I would like to stay beneath here. Okay. Very interesting. And then we have 5 minutes. If it comes all the way up here in 5 minutes, that's what we have risk management for. But I pray we do not do so. It's pretty messed up. Still think the draw is down here and a whole lot of sell side targets. So, yeah. I do want to see where we close at in 5 minutes though, or 4 minutes and 16 seconds now. Great reaction off that order block. Yeah, 20 handles is down here, and that's like my objective every time I get into a trade. Like I want to see, does this offer 20 handles? There's a small volume imbalance right here. If you just saw price respect it. Yeah, so 20 handles, $40 for each contract. I have 2 contracts, so I'm looking to get 80 right here. Really small risk. It's about 6 handles times 2, 12 times 2 for the 2 contracts I have, 24 bucks. So $24 at risk to gain a little over 80. I think it's closer to like 90. Could be wrong. Let's do the math. All right, let's just say 80. Make it, because 84 to 64, but plus the 3.5 handles, which is 6. So yeah, 90 just about. But yeah, really good risk reward. So only tricky thing about these trades is another volume imbalance right here. Is it takes time. It's something you need to be very patient about. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna thug these next 3 minutes out. Cannot lose sight of time while you're doing this. Price is very huge. Yes, it's very important. Yes, it's what you're putting your money on, but time is equally as important. Okay. So I don't like that one bit. We should have seen some respect of this little area. And now, like, I don't like where we're going to be closing. So let's keep in mind what I just said and use that logic. Get rid of some of this noise up here. Our inversion per value gap right here, plus this down close or up close candle with consecutive down close candles after. It's an order block. Is doing a tremendous job of keeping price at bay right here. So hopefully I don't jinx it. But yeah, definitely do want to see more downside delivery. And I want to see us close beneath this level here at 80 and a quarter. 80 and a quarter. And we got 1 minute and 30 seconds to see if that happens or not. Deep breaths. On a 1 minute time frame, you want to see price close beneath this candle's low for more order block theory. See, like kind of what I'm watching. And then now we're transitioning that to a 15-minute chart. It's the same concepts. Only thing that changes is price, the quantity of price, like how much price it is, and then the amount of time that there is. So like, for example, the 15-minute time frame, the daily time frame, the hour time frame versus a 1 minute chart. So yeah, there's that. Okay, we want to see price held at bay here as well. Very great. Would like to see more downside delivery. I was about to say, yeah, it's kind of hovering around there. Oh, by the way, we did close underneath this 15-minute candle. So, yeah, a little wick is okay. That is permissible. Price should be held at bay here, and we should take out this candle's low right here. That's what we want to see. In the next 15 minutes, of course. Well, 14 now. Great closing price. Absolutely fantastical. Yep, we want to see a new low of the 15-minute. That's anything beneath this candle. It's low right here, or the opening price. So, yeah, it should happen right now. I would like to see it happen soon, but that's what I want. We'll see what the real plan is. Big volume imbalance right there. There's no movement. There's no movement, man. Oh wow. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. See, it looks big, but it's really not. Like, there's not a lot of movement going on here. It's really, really shallow. But let's just be patient. We want to see price get beneath this candle's opening price. That's a really good sign. But right now, it's respecting the volume imbalance to the upside, which we have not gone at all to the downside. So we'll see. So I'm gonna go grab the consequent encroachment of this wick right here. It's gonna be 86 and a half. 86. Okay, so now I'm gonna trim my stop loss to 86 and 3/4, because I do not believe that price should go back up there. So can't lose anymore. I'll be fine with this trade. I don't like that it's pushing that high. Great reaction off that order block once more, but it's not impenetrable wall. Can easily get shot through, as can any PD array. There's no 100% method of this is going to work every single time. There's nothing like that. It's not. It's diligence and craftiness. I think that's a good word to put it. Discretion. Discretion's a really good one. The amount of discretion used for each trade. Oh man, I banged my head on the concrete and it hurts. But anyway, I would like that to be the high of the 15 minutes candle. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, I want to see, first of all, price close beneath this candle's low. Secondly, we made the low of the hour, low of the 15-minute candle. And so, yeah, we just want to keep seeing a new low. So, like, the fact that it's retracing this much, no me gusta. Yeah, I don't like this one bit. But if we get stopped out, that's fine. Like, it's just a break-even trade, to be honest, minus commissions and all that. Like, yeah. I'm at a loss for words. Crazy thing is that that's only 6 handles. Like, it's really nothing crazy. Yeah, it's spending like too much time up here. A little touch of this would have been fine, but the fact that it's just spending so much time up here is just kind of concerning to me. Oh, would you look at that? Like, what? I don't get the volume imbalances that we're making. It just jumps a whole bunch. Okay, whatever. So, there's that. I want to see if there's like fees and stuff. Let's get rid of this too. That's 2 trades, by the way, on the day, so I only have 1 more left in me before I'm, clapped. Account summary, notification log, don't care, orders, account summary, netlick. Oh, should probably blur that out. Do you guys have my password? You guys might have my password. Holy shit. Okay, I did. I really did. And I had to delete the video. So, that's it for this trade. I'm probably not going to trade anything else today, if I'm being honest, because it's just mid. It's just a mid freaking week, man. It's just like, bro, there's actually no real targets here. The only reason I took it is because I wanted to do something with the new account, and I lost $40 from it. So it's not the end of the world, but definitely didn't need to do it. Yeah, it's like 0.25% of my account. Like, I'm probably gonna be risking like. Reset it, nothing crazy, take it easy for now. But yeah, there's that 15-minute candle. Lovely. If I'm being honest, I want to go long now, but that's called FOMOing and impulse buying. So guess what, we're not gonna do that. Plus, yeah, there's no way you could see that coming, bro. I'm just gonna. Okay, that's it.